Hello there. In this video, we will try to find out how to add text in your handwriting to an image in WiseImage. And later, we will find how to make that text an integral part of that specific image. On my screen, as you can see, I opened WiseImage and I created one layer called text, and the layer has a color red. So I'll close this, and currently I'm using Microsoft Surface. So I have the screen where I can write my text using stylus, but I'll use my hand in this case. So maybe if you're using stylus, the accuracy will be more. So for now, I will be using my hand to create the manual text. So as a text editor, I will be using, so before I use OneNote, Microsoft OneNote, I will adjust the screen so I can use both WiseImage and OneNote. So this is my OneNote and this is WiseImage screen, right? So my intention will be add some text here and make that text an integral part of this image. So in general, if we write some text here, so maybe we can say text for WiseImage or something. So in general, if we write some text, so that can, this can be done in WiseImage itself, but I'm showing here the way we will be using the handwritten text, and later we will be adding in the image in WiseImage. So currently this is a text I typed from the keyboard, and I'll go to WiseImage and then I will go to draw and I will choose multi-line text. You can also type M text from keyboard, hit enter, and you can say Control V to paste the text in the editor and say OK. And as you can see, I can paste the text here in this image. So currently this text is not pixels, so this is not an integral part of this image. So to do that, we need to rasterize this text. To do that, you should go to modify and you can find rasterize. So you can use either one of these options. The first one will rasterize and you will not get the source, and the second one, this function will rasterize and the source objects, the vector source objects will be there. But currently I'll be using this rasterize option, so I'll say rasterize. So now this is pixels, right? So these are all pixels. So this is now integral part of this image. If I can save the image from file, so it will be now integral part of this image, right? It could be TIFF, JPG or BMP or any other image format you would like to save, so that you can do. So this is how it works in general. But what if we use the handwritten text? For instance, in if we go to OneNote and we can say that I need to choose this pen, so I can choose the pen and maybe this is okay, and I say that I need to type some text like 2, 4 or maybe 5 or something. So now I have some number and I'm saying that these are the numbers, and I want to convert this ink to text, so it will be converted, and now I can copy the text I created in OneNote so that I can take to WiseImage. So here I can type M text hit enter, I'll control V to paste the text, and I'll say OK, and I will paste the text. And definitely I will need to go to this modify, and then I will say merge. So now this handwritten text is an integral part of this image. Same way we can write some other text, like I should go to this and I should write something like text. So you can write your own text, and I'll try to recognize the text here. So then I will say that into text. So in this case, I may need to update something. So it will be like this. So it depends. I mean, how OneNote will recognize that. But I'm sure OneNote is a great tool, and you can use stylus, and it will give you the great recognitions of your handwritten text. Currently, I just use my hand and I created one piece of characters, and I would like to take that to WiseImage, and I can go to draw again and multi-line text, and I'll say Control V, and I'm done, and I say OK. So now I'm ready to use the text in this drawing. So I can say here I can paste the text, and obviously I can say merge, and I can hit enter. It will be merged to that specific image, and now you can save this image from save options. So if you say save, it will be saved on the same directory from where you open the file. You can always go to save as to save copy of this image to other formats. So you can always go to somewhere else with some other formats to save the image. So this is how it works in WiseImage. With the handwritten text, you can use any sort of device where you can type your handwritten text, and you can recognize there, and you can bring that text to WiseImage, and you can rasterize, and then you can save the image to make an integral part of the specific image. So thank you very much for your time.